Dear grade 6 students, this is English Family and Friends 6, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Words. Our title today is The Food Here is Great. We have got 3 objectives to tackle today, and they are to identify 10 new words connected with restaurants, to use the new words connected with restaurants correctly, and the third objective is to identify waiter-customer conversation pattern. Now we are in the restaurant. Look at the pictures. What can you see in the restaurant? You can see a man. This man is holding a tray with his hands and he's coming towards you with the order. This man who serves food at a restaurant is called a waiter. That's right. If the person who serves at the restaurant was a lady, we call her a waitress. The waiter and the waitress, they wear special set of clothes when they go to work at the restaurant. They wear a uniform. That's right. You also wear a uniform when you go to school, right? Okay, the restaurant provides you with a list of meals and a variety of food. This list of delicious food is called a menu. Can I have the menu, please? Here you are. Thank you. The person who makes the order is called a customer. And if they were 2, we add S. It comes customers. What is the last picture? Can you see it? It's very obvious. It is a bottle of water. For the water, we use a bottle of. Whereas for the tea and coffee, we use a cup of tea, and this is a cup of coffee. What is this picture? This is a bottle of milk, and this is a glass. Correct. What do? When we pour the milk into the glass, we get a glass of milk. Correct. The third picture, we have got soup. What do we use for the soup? Do we say a cup of soup? No. Do we say a glass of soup? No. We say a bowl of soup. That's right. The fourth picture, we have got salad. As you can see, we've got lettuce, we've got tomatoes, and they are in a plate. We say a plate of salad. A plate of salad. It's time for the puzzle. Are you ready for the puzzle? Yes, let's start. You have got a set of definitions. You need to read these definitions carefully and then decide and guess what is the word. You have got some of definitions down and some of them across. As I said, try to guess what is the word. You'll be having 2 minutes to do this exercise. Now, let's check our answers. 1. You pour water, milk, and juice into this. It is a glass. 2. These people eat at a restaurant. They are customers because we have got people more than 2. 3. A list of food that you may be ordered at the restaurant. It is a menu. 6. A person who serves at tables as in a restaurant is a waiter. 8. It is used for serving foods and soups. What is it? It is bowl. Now we move to the definitions across. Coffee and tea come in this. It is a cup. You eat your salad from this. It is a plate. The clothes that waiters wear are called a uniform. Number 7. 8, the last one. Water comes into this. It is a bottle, which is number 8. We move on. Now we have got a short paragraph. We need to read the paragraph and then we fill in the blanks with the correct option that suits the best. You have 2 minutes to do this exercise, okay? Now let's check our answers. Yesterday, I went with my family to a restaurant. Which option suits the best? The cup, the bottle, the waiter, the soup, the plate, the menu, the milk. We are talking about an action. The waiter gave us the, what do they give in the restaurant? They give us the menu. I only ordered a, what do we use for the coffee and tea? Remember, we use a cup of coffee. My father ordered a bowl of soup. My brother wanted a cheese sandwich with a glass of plate or milk or bottle. What do we use? A glass of milk. And my mother wanted a plate of fruit. The waiter offered us a free bottle of water. We move on. Here, you need to read and match. You have got many phrases. You need to decide who is this speaking. Is it the waiter or is it the customer? You'll be having 1 minute to do this exercise. Now, let's check our answers. I'd like a plate of spaghetti, please. This is the customer. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? This is also the customer. Here's your soup. This is the waiter. Would you like a bottle of water? Would you like a bottle of water? This is the waiter. Here's the menu, sir. This is the waiter. I would like to have some salad, please. This is the customer. This is the end of lesson 1. See you in the next lesson.